Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering actionable facts. Note the exact error code when the crash happens and what changed recently. Open Task Manager and check GPU/CPU usage so you know if resources spike. Once done, update drivers only if you have a restore point and backup saves to avoid data loss. Make sure overlays and background recorders are off because they commonly conflict with anti-cheat or rendering paths, and that you run the game as administrator to test permission issues quickly. Now you execute targeted fixes. Verify game files through the launcher to replace corrupt assets, then reinstall if verification fails. Update Windows and GPU drivers to ensure compatibility with the game engine. Also reinstall runtimes like DirectX or Vulkan because missing DLLs cause abrupt crashes. Reduce in-game settings, texture and resolution, and disable ray tracing or mods to isolate performance causes. Once adjusted, test repeatedly. Consistent crashes after these steps point toward hardware or deeper system conflicts you'll address next. For final resolution, run memory and disk integrity checks. Memtest 86 for RAM and SFC/DISM to repair system files because silent corruption triggers many crashes. Monitor GPU and CPU temperatures to catch thermal throttling. If temps are high, clean fans, and reset the GPU or RAM modules since loose hardware causes instability. If crashes persist after these hardware and software steps, create a concise support packet with logs and steps tried, then consider a clean OS install only after backups. This often clears deep, stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.